Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of feeling like your money disappears every month without a trace? Do you dream of reaching your financial goals but don't know where to start? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of budgeting. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Budgeting? That sounds boring and restrictive. But trust me, a good budget is actually your secret weapon to financial freedom and peace of mind. In this video, we'll break down exactly what budgeting is, why it's so important, and introduce you to some simple yet effective budgeting methods that you can start using today. So grab a pen and paper or your favorite budgeting app and let's get started. What is budgeting and why is it important? So, what exactly is budgeting? Simply put, it's a plan for how you're going to spend your money. It's like creating a roadmap for your finances, ensuring that your money goes where you want it to go, rather than just vanishing. Why is budgeting so important? Well, for starters, it helps you understand where your money is currently going. Many of us are surprised when we actually track our expenses and see how much we're spending on things we don't even really value. Budgeting also allows you to take control of your finances. Instead of feeling like you're living paycheck to paycheck, you can proactively decide how to allocate your funds. This empowers you to save for important goals like a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or a comfortable retirement. Plus, budgeting can help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending and free up more money for your priorities. It can also help you avoid debt and build a financial safety net for unexpected expenses. Budgeting Method 1, the 50-30-20 rule. All right, let's dive into our first budgeting method, the popular 50-30-20 rule. This is a super simple framework that divides your after-tax income into 3 categories. 50% for needs. These are your essential expenses, things you absolutely have to pay for, like rent or mortgage, groceries, transportation, utilities, and minimum debt payments. 30% for wants. This category covers your non-essential spending, things you enjoy but could technically live without, such as dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and shopping for clothes. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This is crucial for your financial future. It includes saving for emergencies, retirement, and paying off any outstanding debt beyond the minimums. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine your monthly after-tax income is Rupee 30,000. According to the 50-30-20 rule, Rupee 15,000 would go towards needs, 50%. Rupee 9,000 would go towards wants, 30%. Rupee 6,000 would go towards savings and debt repayment, 20%. The beauty of this method is its simplicity and flexibility. It gives you a clear guideline without being overly restrictive. You can adjust the percentages slightly based on your individual circumstances, but the core idea is to prioritize your needs, allow for some fun, and most importantly, save and pay down debt. Budgeting Method 2, Zero-Based Budgeting. Next up, we have zero-based budgeting. The core principle here is that every single rupee of your income is assigned a purpose. Your total income minus your total expenses should equal 0. This method requires you to be very intentional with your money. You start by listing all your income for the month, and then you allocate that income to different expense categories until you reach 0. This includes everything from fixed expenses like rent and loan payments to variable expenses like groceries and entertainment, and of course, savings. Here's how it might look. Let's say your monthly income is Rupee 40,000. You would then list out all your expected expenses. Rent, Rupee 10,000. Groceries, Rupee 8,000. Transportation, Rupee 4,000. Utilities, Rupee 3,000. Entertainment, Rupee 2,000. Savings, Rupee 10,000. Miscellaneous, Rupee 3,000. Total expenses, Rupee 40,000. As you can see, every rupee has been accounted for. This method provides a very clear picture of where your money is going, and can be particularly effective for identifying areas where you might be overspending. It requires a bit more upfront work, but it can give you a strong sense of control over your finances. Budgeting Method 3, the cash envelope system. Our final budgeting method for today is the cash envelope system. This is a more tangible and sometimes more impactful way to manage your spending, particularly for variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Here's how it works. You start by creating budget categories for your variable expenses. Then, at the beginning of each month, you withdraw a predetermined amount of cash for each category and place it in separate envelopes labeled accordingly. For example, you might have an envelope for groceries with rupee 5,000, an envelope for entertainment with rupee 2,000, and an envelope for dining out with rupee 1,500. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, you can't spend any more in that category for the rest of the month. The beauty of this system is that it makes your spending very real and visual. Physically handing over cash can make you more mindful of your purchases compared to swiping a card. It can be particularly helpful for curbing overspending in areas where you tend to lose track. While it might not be practical for all expenses like online bills, it can be a powerful tool for managing discretionary spending. Choosing the right method and practical tips. So, which budgeting method is right for you? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best method is the one that you can stick with consistently. Consider your personality, your spending habits, and your financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule is great for simplicity. Zero-based budgeting offers detailed control. The cash envelope system can be powerful for managing variable spending. You might even find that a combination of these methods works best for you. Here are a few practical tips for successful budgeting, no matter which method you choose. Track your income and expenses. Know exactly how much money you're bringing in and where it's currently going. Set realistic goals. Budgeting is easier when you're working towards something specific. Be flexible. Life happens, and your budget might need adjustments from time to time. Don't get discouraged if you go off track. Just get back on as soon as you can. Review your budget regularly. Make sure your budget still aligns with your goals and your current financial situation. Don't be too restrictive. Allow for some fun money so you don't feel deprived. Call to action. And there you have it, your beginner's guide to budgeting. I hope this video has given you a solid understanding of why budgeting is important and introduced you to some practical methods you can use to take control of your finances. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which budgeting method do you think you'll try, or which one are you currently using? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.